October 2008. A 9-page paper drops during the worst financial crisis in decades. Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The promise was simple. No banks, no middlemen, just people transacting directly with complete control over their money. Fast forward to today. Bitcoin isn't peer-to-peer anymore. It's digital gold, a strategic portfolio asset. When you buy through an ETF, you don't control it. When institutions hold it, every transaction is tracked. With soaring fees, Bitcoin became exactly what it was designed to replace. Zano brings back the original vision, a peer-to-peer digital economy. Privacy by default, every transaction untraceable. Created by the developer who coded CryptoNote, Zano goes further. Tokenize anything privately, stocks, bonds, stablecoins, any crypto asset, all completely hidden from surveillance. No tracking, no monitoring, no institutional control. This is what crypto was supposed to be. Hijack your privacy back with Zano, the privacy-powered digital economy.